In this video, we are going to show you how to create a greeting message. The greeting message is the first message that an audience can see when they come to your messenger, or when they want to message your Facebook page. Here are the steps on how to create your greeting message in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. Navigate to Menu, then click Settings. Now click on Channels, go to Facebook Messenger. Navigate to Greeting and click Edit. Then enter your greeting message on the given field. If you want to use multi-language greeting messages, click the Language drop-down menu and choose the languages as per your requirement. Do not forget to save your work. And that's it. We just created your greeting message in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. Let's check it now. There it is. You now have a greeting message. See you in the next video. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to see more tutorials and valuable guides on digital marketing.